Welcome to this tutorial on how to find and edit your contacts in Gmail. Whether you're using Gmail on your desktop or mobile device, we'll guide you through the steps to help you navigate through your contacts seamlessly. Let's begin with finding your contacts. Regardless of the platform, you can easily search for someone's email address within Gmail. Simply start typing their name or part of their email address in the search field, and Gmail will provide quick search results if you have this option enabled. For more detailed information, you'll need to access the Contacts interface. If you're using an Android device, open the Gmail app and tap the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Google Apps and select Contacts. You'll see all your contacts from all your Google accounts. To view contacts from a specific account, tap the Accounts icon in the top right and select it. You can search for contacts using any information stored within the app, such as name, phone number, or address. On your desktop, you can access your Gmail contacts by clicking on the Google Apps icon. From the menu, open Gmail. In the sidebar, click the contact icon. Your contacts will load in the sidebar. To switch to the full interface, click the expand icon, and a new tab will open. Like the mobile app, you can search for contacts using their various associated details. Now, let's move on to adding contacts in Gmail on an Android device. Open an email received from the desired contact you wish to add. Tap its profile image in the top left corner to open a contact menu at the bottom. Tap the avatar icon in the top right of the contact menu. Choose Contacts when prompted to complete the action. Select the account or location you'd like to save the new contact to. Enter the contact details, and you can also set a label if desired. To add additional information like a photo or phone number, tap More Details in the bottom left. If the contact already exists under a different name or email address, select Add to Existing in the bottom right to merge the details. Save in the top right. On your desktop, you can add contacts using the same methods as on mobile. Hover over the profile image of the contact you wish to add and click on the plus button. You can then edit the information as you prefer. Alternatively, you can create a new contact manually by going to the Contact app and clicking on the plus button in the top left. If you want to enter multiple contacts simultaneously, choose Create Multiple Contacts and enter the names or email addresses. You can set labels to easily find this group of contacts later. To move a contact from Other Contacts to your official contacts, go to Other Contacts, hover over the contact, and click the Add to Contacts icon on the right. Now, let's explore how to edit or delete your Gmail contacts. To edit a contact in your Android device, tap on it, and tap the edit icon. Make the necessary changes. You can label the details you add, such as distinguishing between home or work phone numbers, and click Save in the top right. To delete her in the Contacts app, find and long press the contact you want to remove. Tap the trash icon in the top right corner, and confirm the action. On your desktop, you can edit or delete a Google contact by following these steps. Open the Contacts interface in Gmail. Find and open the contact you want to edit or delete. To delete the contact, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right and select Delete. Confirm the deletion if prompted. To edit the contact, click the Edit button in the top right. Here, you can also choose to star the contact for easy access. Make the necessary changes and click Save in the top right. To discard changes without saving, click the X in the top left. Additionally, you can organize your contacts by adding labels, allowing you to manage distinct groups of people. To manage a contact's label, click the label icon under their name. Lastly, let's discuss importing and exporting your Google contacts. To import contacts on an Android device, open the Contacts app. Tap Fix and Manage at the bottom right corner. Select Import from File. Select the Google account you want to import. Choose VCF file, and the job done. To export contacts on an Android device, open the Contacts app. Tap Fix and Manage at the bottom right corner. Select Export to File. Select the account you want to export and tap Export to .vcf file. Choose a download location, set a file name, and tap Save. On the desktop, you can import or export contacts by following these steps. Open the Contacts interface in Gmail. Under the search bar, you will find Import and Export icon. To import, click Import icon. Select the VCF file and click the Import button. To export, click Export icon and select the contacts you want to export. Choose the format, CSV or vCard, and click Export. Save the file to your preferred location. If Gmail doesn't autocomplete contacts you've had email exchanges with, you may have disabled this option in your account settings. To toggle Gmail's autocomplete feature, follow these steps. Open Gmail and click the settings icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Settings sidebar menu, click See All Settings. Under General, scroll down to Create Contacts for Autocomplete, just below your Google profile picture. Choose your desired option. The default is, when I send a message to a new person, add them to other contacts so that I can autocomplete to them next time. You can also choose, I'll add contacts myself. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply the settings. That's it, thanks for watching.